Hello?
What do you need?
Hello?
We're the ones with the eyes upon you.
We just traced you.
Yes, we got
What?
your caller ID.
Well, what did you do? Because you're in trouble.
You were a bad boy. We're watching you.
This is kind of creepy, to be honest.
Oh, I'm the one who has the eyes upon you.
Yeah, you probably do. You keep calling the phone, and then I keep answering because you're weird.
See those eyes peeking at you? That's me.
Where?
See that car coming up behind you here shortly?
This one or this one?
That's RPD. So look behind you. When you hear the siren, you'll know I'm not mumbling.
We're watching you. You're calling from a cell phone.
Hello?
Hello there,
Gurney Dispatch Room.
All right, we'll be right there.
Gurney Dispatch.
So where are you?
We just traced you.
You just traced me. I'm on a payphone, so I don't know how you traced me.
You're calling from a cell phone.
I'm not calling from a cell phone. You called the payphone, and I answered the payphone.
You're in
If
trouble
this is
now.
some weird-ass joke that you're trying to play, it's kind of creepy. So, see ya, you fucking creep-ass motherfucker. Good evening.
Yes, we
Hello?
got your caller ID.
Hello?
We're the ones with the eyes upon you.
Hello?
Well,
Hello?
what did you
What's
do? Because you're in trouble.
You were a bad boy.
See those eyes peeking
I
at you?
cannot
That's
understand
me.
you.
Oh, I'm the one who has the eyes upon you.
Where's the drugs
We're
at, man?
watching you.
Keep your eyes open, so you better watch out. See that car coming up behind you here shortly?
Hello?
Hello?
Hey,
Oh, I'm the one who has
this is,
the eyes
Robert.
upon you.
Patcher set.
We just traced you.
Yes, we got your caller ID.
See that car coming up behind you here shortly? That's RPD. So look behind you.
Keep your eyes open. You see that wire behind you? That's RPD.
When you hear the siren, you'll know I'm not mumbling.
What are you talking about?
Well, just keep an eyeball out behind you there.
So people can call the payphone.
You're in trouble now.